Woo! Look at that weather there, man. Today's a really cold day. It is raining all over the place. It is wet. Super wet. And well, what is going on, guys? Today I'm back with another video, and I fixed my camera. It's working. I got it back. Took it out of the rice, and it's working right now. A long story how, well, first my cousin dropped the camera in the pool. I put the camera in rice. Then after that it was done. I was gonna make a video after that, but the lens right there, it was all dirty and you can see like a big ring. So then I stuck it in water again, cleaned off the lens, and now it's back to normal. And today it's gonna snow like today or tomorrow. I don't know when, but if it does, but today I'm gonna do a video anyway. But today I wanted to do a video, but I didn't know what to do it about. But I just barely came up with one. Doing flips in the rain, as you can see in the title thumbnails. Doing flips in the rain. Yeah, in the cold weather. See how wet I can get. And I don't have any shoes on, but who cares? I don't need shoes. Yeah. So, well, I guess I'll start and this edit right now.
I mean, I really think you should. Aren't you glad to meet me?
That was the end of that. I'm gonna be going to the weight room just to do another edit. Woo! Hitting those weights. Let's do an edit. 3, 2, 1. Okay, that was the end of that. Pretty interesting, right? And well, I guess that's gonna wrap up this video. I don't have any video ideas. I would have been filling up my room with something, but too cold. And there's been shootouts. People have been shooting like crazy drug dealers around the city, so my camera won't focus right now. Wait for it to focus. This camera sucks at focusing. Okay, there, the camera focused. So yeah, I was just saying that there's shootouts. That's why I'm not going out to the Yoxo or any place to do some stuff. But that's I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And Leave a like, share with your friends, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. I didn't say peace out right.